Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this exciting episode of G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And why do I say it's exciting? Well, I was supposed to do this yesterday, but my neighbor stopped by. I had to drop off a package to me, and by the time we had a couple of beers and BS'd a little bit, it was dark out, and I didn't get to shoot the video yesterday. But yesterday morning when I got up, I was at 55.55. And then by afternoon, I was at 55.58. And had a couple of people chime in and say, hey, can we still get in? Well, it hasn't started yet, but it's about to. It's going to start here real soon. And the reason I'm pointing at the pop-up camper is I had an inquiry about it, and he wanted some pictures. Well, I tried to take some pictures and send them, but because my quality was set so high on the pictures, it said they were too large to send. So if you don't mind, I'm going to take a walk around the pop-up camper here and just show so he can see what's going on here. And as you can see, it's not all beat up or anything, but it does need tires, because these tires have age cracks in them, so I wouldn't trust it hauling it all the way to Arizona without putting new tires on it. Now this tire could probably go on as a spare just in case, but with two brand new tires, you know, the only reason you would need a spare is if you were following a construction truck and he dumped a box of nails. But anyway, yeah, it's in pretty good shape. But like I said, it is a fixer-upper. It does need a new roof vent. That rock is holding it down so that it doesn't blow off in the winds over here. And it'll need a battery and, of course, the tires. You can see this tire's already gone deflated on it again. And it's not going to go any lower because I put a jack stand under it to hold it. But the tires do have to be changed, and with luck, there's just happens to be a new tire place just opened up about 7-8 miles from here, and he's got some really good deals according to my neighbor, so we can get the tires changed over there. Now this thing, I had it in the open position, and we had a windstorm with like 50-mile-an-hour gusts, and the staples on this side at the top of the canvas, when this is in the up position, pulled out, which I thought was kind of hokey that they just used staples to hold that up. I think I would have probably put screws or something to that effect in there to hold it. So anyway, just wanted to get past that real quick, and we'll move on. So today I'm shooting the video to talk about the 55-55 giveaway, the giveaway contest. And we're already today, just before I started this, I checked, we're already at 55-67. So we got an extra dozen names on there just in one day's time. So that's good. Keep it going, because there's going to be another mile point that I'm going to have another giveaway. But we'll take a walk down in a minute. As you can see, the stack of pallets here got smaller. They were 13 high, and there's 5 left. So I broke apart 8 of them. And this is all 2x6s that came off of it that have to have the nails cleaned. And here's some 4x4s I put there. Some more of the 2x6s, and then I stacked up the nice, fairly clean 2x6s and 2x4s. I got them crisscross stacked over here in pallet stacks. So all that lumber will end up getting used. I also have some more of the 4x4s here. There's 4 more of them there. And then I put more up there, so I've got a total of 14 up there. But I didn't want to put any more because a 4x4x10 weighs about 38 pounds. And think about that. There's 14 times 38 up there. That's a lot of weight, plus what else is up there. So I didn't think those 2x4s should take any more stress than what they've already got. So we'll cut it at that. Anyway, let's move on down, because I want to show you what the lucky winner of this giveaway, and it's going to be a random drawing on this giveaway. I'm going to show you what the prize is first, and then I'll discuss the details on how to get your name entered for it. And every subscriber will have an opportunity to get their name entered twice. And that'll all happen between now and the 20th. The 20th will be the cutoff day. On the 21st, I'll actually be doing the drawing live on my channel here. So everybody will know when the drawing is going to happen, and you can watch how I do it on my iPad. I'll have everybody's name already entered. I just have to hit one button and a name pops up, and we'll see who the winner is. Okay, so what's the prize going to be? Well, I started thinking 55-55 has got two 5s or two 50s in it. So the 50s kind of hit me, because a gold anniversary is the 50th anniversary. So why not? Let's go with something related. So here we go. This is a 1 ounce coin from the Golden State Mint. There's the gold that I was talking about, Golden State Mint. Okay, so this is 1 ounce of fine silver right there, that coin. All right, but that's not all you get. On the other side, I inserted a collector's coin. And of course, I had to put a bear on there so that you remember that you won this from Bear. So anyway, this is a bronze coin. It's a collector series, and it says polar bear on it, and this is a series 3 collector's item. So anyway, that's 1 ounce of bronze and 1 ounce of silver. These two go together as one prize to the lucky winner. So how are you going to enter to win? Well, not today, but starting on tomorrow's video, you'll have to watch all of the videos between tomorrow and the 20th, because somewhere in those days, 2 of the videos, I will just come right out and announce at a certain time during the video. I'll announce that it is time for you to enter your name in the comment section. So I will give you a keyword in the video. You'll have to listen for that keyword, and then you'll enter your name or enter your comment in a comment section under your name with the keyword and the date that the video was posted, and that will get you your 1 entry. And then sometime between then and the 20th, I will give another announcement out during one of my videos, and it could happen at the beginning of the video, it could happen at the middle of the video, it could happen at the end of the video, or anywhere in between. You'll never know when that's going to happen. But the idea behind this is to increase viewer time and increase my statistics. So my stats are what make me money. So I want to make sure I get as much of you people watching as much of my videos as possible in order to qualify for the money that I want to earn. Because I can't just give things away. I'm not rich. I'm good looking, but I'm not rich. You know, I tell people all the time, I sure wish I'd have been born rich instead of handsome. All right, so everybody quit laughing. All right, so we're going to finish this up by coming down here. And I was just in here a little while ago and watered everything. And there's a leftover piece of onion that I planted, and it's sprouting. Everything was pretty dry, needed some water in here. And another nice day. It's in the 80s, just beautiful. The greens are coming up just perfect. The kale and the spinach and the old kale plant here. I just pruned it back and took all of the heads off of it that were on there, except for the newest sprouts. And I fed that to the chickens. That would be a little bit untasteful for humans because it's a three-year-old plant. Anyway, I got my radishes popping up all around here now. You'll see them over here and over here and over there in the corner. So the radishes are starting to come up. That's a good thing. And again, the tomatoes are doing just fine. And we'll go quickly through here. And I put some stakes in for the pepper plants because they were all starting to lay down on the ground. But yeah, you can see peppers on there. Look at all the peppers on this one. Just loaded with peppers. And more flowers coming out. And more peppers coming out. So yeah, I didn't get any peppers all the whole season until now. They're all coming out. Of course, my broccoli's coming back to life here. And my herb garden looks a little sad. I got some dill and some oregano. And my rosemary, well, she just flew the coop. But I did throw some other seeds in there, some parsley seeds and that stuff. We'll see if those come up or not. And the potatoes over here. These are the 2 Concord grapevines. I'm going to be returning those to Home Depot. I did save my receipt from when I bought those last spring of 2021. So that's when they usually have these things out. They're $10 a piece. So, no, actually $11 a piece. And that's the second set that didn't take. Before that, the set I got just took right away, but I had planted those outside with no protection, and the critters got into them and ate them and killed them. These just haven't taken. They just won't take. So this year, when I get the new ones, what I'm going to do is, you always have to trim them back before you plant them. You're supposed to cut them back about 30% of their size. And what I'll end up doing is taking the cuttings off of those, and I'm going to graft them onto this grapevine that's really doing well, and see if I can't get them to take that way. And I'll still plant the rest of them, the rest part of them, but I'm going to make sure that my soil is exactly balanced the way I want it to before I do that. All right, everybody, I don't want to get too long on you here. I know everybody's anxious to get started on the giveaway. And the double 55s, 55. It sounds like somebody said, Vicky, I think it was, said, sounds like an old song. In the year 2525, if man is still alive, if woman can't survive, they might thrive. Yeah, right. Anyway, we'll see in the year 2525. I'll just be turning 25 at that point, so I'll be 25 in the year 2525. Go figure and do that math. All right, everybody. So you got the information on the startup. It'll start. It could start in tomorrow's video, or it could start the day after's video. But in the videos between tomorrow and the 20th, you'll get 2 announcements to be able to enter for the giveaway. And I also got another product shipped to me by one of the sponsors. I'm going to have to do a video on that, and then I'll try to get some more information on the trailer for the person that's interested in it. And that might end up going out of here, and that's probably a good thing, because what I want to do is build a cinder block guest house here. It'll just be a 1-room guest house out of cinder block with a little kitchenette and a little, well, not a little bed, but maybe a queen-size bed for 2 people if the guy and his wife show up or whatever and they want to stay over. But they'll have some place to cook and all of that. And the outhouse is right outside of there, so they'll have a place to go to the outhouse. but I think I will put a compost toilet in there just in case. And if somebody wants to not have to get up and go out in the middle of the night. I'm a pretty regular person for early morning, so I don't worry about going out at night. And I have a compost toilet inside, so hey, you know what? We're getting a little bit long here. So why don't we sign this off, everybody? I wanted to show you all that stuff and get the information out. And thank you all for subscribing. Let's keep it going. Don't forget to subscribe down there, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I mean, mash it. Hit that thumbs up. Like the videos. All of that stuff counts in our monetization, or whatever you want to call it. The money. Show me the money. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.